In this video, we'll teach you how to do the AP Statistics 2017 FRQ number 2.
2017 number 2. The manager of a local fast food restaurant is concerned about customers who ask for a water cup when placing an order but fill the cup with a soft drink from the beverage fountain instead of filling the cup with water. The manager selected a random sample of 80 customers who asked for a water cup when placing an order and found that 23 of those customers filled the cup with a soft drink from the beverage fountain. Now we will do part A first. Construct and interpret a 95% confidence interval for the proportion of all customers who, having asked for a water cup when placing an order, will fill the cup with a soft drink from the beverage fountain.
To do this problem, we first need to find our conditions. Our first condition is that the SRS is stated. Our second condition is a 10% condition, and we state it is reasonable to assume that there are more than 800 customers who asked for a water cup when placing an order. Our third condition is NP hat is greater than or equal to 10, which is equal to 80 times 23 over 80, which is equal to 23, which is greater than or equal to 10. We then do NQ hat, which is greater than or equal to 10, and that equals 80 times 57 over 80, which is equal to 57, which is greater than or equal to 10. Now, since conditions have been met, we can construct a 1 proportion z interval.
The formula for a 1 proportion z interval is p hat plus or minus the critical score z times radical p hat times 1 minus p hat over n. P hat is the sample proportion, which in this case is the proportion of all customers who ask for a water cup when placing an order but fill the cup with a soft drink instead. In this sample, P hat equals 23 over 80, which equals 0.2875.
We then need to find our critical value z. In the problem, it states that we have to find a 95% confidence interval. Therefore, we do 1 minus 0.95, divide that by 2, and we get 0.025. Then in your calculator, you plug in inverse norm 0.025, 0, 1, and we get 1.96, which is our critical value z. We then put everything together and we plug in 0.2875 for p hat plus or minus our z critical score of 1.96, and we plug in radical 0.2875 times 1 minus 0.2875 and divide that by 80. From there we get 0.2875 plus or minus 1.96 times 0.0506. We then get 0.2875 plus or minus 0.0992. Then we get our lower bound, which is equal to 0.1883, and our upper bound, 0.3867.
Therefore, we are 95% confident that in the population of all customers who ask for a water cup, the proportion who will fill it with a soft drink is between 18.83% and 38.67%. The manager estimates that each customer who asks for a water cup but fills it with a soft drink costs the restaurant 25 cents. Suppose that in the month of June, 3,000 customers ask for a water cup when placing an order. Use the confidence interval constructed in Part A to give an interval estimate for the cost to the restaurant for the month of June from the customers who ask for a water cup but fill the cup with a soft drink.
To do this problem, we take the 95% confidence interval from part A, which is 0.1883, 0.3867.
There are 3,000 customers in June. We are going to multiply 3,000 by each of the values obtained in our confidence interval from part A to get the number of customers in June who asked for a water cup but filled the cup with a soft drink. 3,000 times 0.1883 equals 565. 3,000 times 0.3867 equals 1,160. This is an interval estimate for the number of customers who asked for a water cup but filled the cup with a soft drink in the month of June.
From there, we multiply 0.25 times 565 and we get 141.25. And we multiply 1,160 times 0.25 and get 290. Therefore, an interval estimate of the cost to the restaurant for the month of June from the customers who ask for a water cup but fill the cup with a soft drink is between $141.25 and $290. And that is how you do the AP Statistics 2017 FRQ number 2.